All of you listen. First one, filling the blanks. Bones that encloses the brain are called what? What bone? Bones are enclose the brain are called cranial nerves. Cranial bones. Cranial bones. Cranial bones. Cranial bones are surrounded in the skull. Inside have the cranial bones inside are protect in the brain. Okay. Bones that encloses the brain are called cranial bones. Cranial bones. Second one, organs that are present inside our body are called what organ? External or internal? Inside body are called only internal organ. Internal organ. Example for the internal organ are heart, lungs, kidney, stomach, okay, and brain also. Next, organs that present inside our body are called internal organ. Internal organ. Okay, skins cover the muscles and muscles cover the dash in your body. Skins are cover the muscles. This layer is skin. This cover the muscles. Dasaigal. Muscles meaning dasai. Muscles are covered with the inside the what part? Found in the what part, ma? Bone. Bones in our body. Skins cover the muscles and muscles cover the bones in our body. The dash protect the lungs and heart. The dash protect the lungs and heart. Which one is protect the lungs and heart? In the rib cage. Marbalumbu. Rib cage. The rib cage protect the lungs and heart. Next one, the lower leg is made up of bones are called dash and dash. The lower leg meaning lower limbs. Lower limbs have a upper limbs and lower limbs. Upper limb have a femur. Lower limb have a two bones. Tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula. T-I-B-I-A. Tibia and fibula. F-U-B-U-L-A. Fibula. Tibia and fibula. One more time repeat for the filling the blanks. Bones that encloses the brain are called cranial bones. Organs that are present inside our body are called internal organ. Skin cover the muscles and muscles cover the bones in our body. Fourth one, the dash protect the lungs and heart. Rib cage. The lower leg is made up of bones called dash and dash. Tibia and fibula in the lower limb. Lower limb mean lower leg. Okay children. Next one, who am I? I am the smallest bone in the body. Very small bone. Which part is found in the ear. In the ear. The name is stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S. Stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S. Stapes. I am the largest bone in your body. Very largest bone. In your upper limb have a largest bone. Bone name is femur. F-E-M-U-R. Femur. F-E-M-U-R. Femur. Okay. I am the joint present in the shoulder. Which many joints you are already learned it. Hinge joint, pivot joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint. In which joint is present in the shoulder? Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Socket joint. Ball and socket joint found in the shoulder. Okay. I am the tough fibrous tissues. I am a tough fibrous tissues. Tough fibrous tissues is the attached to the muscles with bone. That one is ligament. Ligament or pronounced ligament. Ligament. Ligament or ligament. Anyone you pronounced it. Next one. I am the free moving joint. Which joint? Gliding joint. Gliding joint. Gliding joint is free moving joint. Are you understand, children? Next one, first one. I am the smallest bone in the body, stapes. In your ear, found in the ear. I am the largest bone in the body, femur. Femur is the very largest bone in your body. I am the joint present in the shoulder, ball and socket joint. I am a tough fibrous tissue, ligament or ligament. Anyone you pronounced it. I am a free moving joint, gliding joint. Gliding joint. Okay. Match the following. First one, ribs. Ribs are found in, you read first, ribs, which allows the bone to rotate. Second one, arms, made up of flat, hard and strong bones. No. Third one, vertebral column, joined to the breastbone and backbone. Fourth one, skull, joined to the spine by the shoulder girdle. Fifth one, pivot joint. Pivot joint, which main axis of skeleton? No. First one, the ribs, answer is joined to the breastbone and backbone. First one answer is join the breastbone and backbone for the ribs. Breastbone, another name is for the sternum. Sternum are joined to the backbone. Okay. Next, another second one, arm, joined to the spine by the shoulder girdle. Spine to backbone have a main axis of the spine. The spine to the shoulder girdle. Arms. Arms meaning hand. Next one, vertebral column. Vertebral column is the main axis of the skeleton. Main axis of the skeleton is marbalumbu. Vertebral column is the backbone. Mudugalumbutoda. Okay. Vertebral column is the main axis of the skeleton. Skull. Skull is the which made of flat and hard strong bones. Flat and hard strong bones for the skull. Skull or cranium. Next one, pivot joint. Pivot joint is which allows the bones to rotate. Which allows the bones to rotate. You rotate your skull also. Example for the pivot joint. Okay. First one, ribs, joined to the breastbone and backbone. Second one, arms, joined to the spine by the shoulder girdle. Third one, vertebral column, the main axis of the skeleton. Fourth one, the skull is the made of flat, hard and strong bones. Pivot joint is which allows the bones to rotate. Okay, children. Next one, give two example of the following. Give two examples of the following. First one, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints are hip and shoulder. Hip and shoulder are example for the ball and socket joint. Second one, gliding joint. Gliding joint meaning move from the many direction. Okay. Example for wrist and angles for in your lower leg. Okay. Wrist and angles. Hinge joint is finger only one direction. Only move from the only one direction for the hinge joint. Fingers and elbow. Fingers and elbow. Okay. Next one, pivot joint. Skull and forearm are the pivot joint. Pivot joint for the upper arm have two long legs, long bones. That only name radius and ulna. Radius and ulna. One more time repeat. Ball and socket joint, example hip and shoulder. Gliding joint is wrist and ankles. Hinge joint is fingers and elbow. pivot joint is skull and forearm. Are you understand? Next, answer the following questions. First one, what is skeleton? What is skeleton? A rigid framework of our bones that provide a definite shape and support to the body is called the skeleton. எலும்பு கூடு எதுக்கு உபயோகமாக இருக்குதுமா? ஒரு பாடிக்கு சப்போர்ட்டும் ஒரு ஷேப்பையும் கொடுக்குறதே இதுதான் எலும்பு கூடு, skeleton. Okay, a rigid framework of bones that provide a definite shape and support to the body is called the skeleton. Shape and support to the body. Okay, next one, second question, define joint and its types. Joint. A joint is a place where two or more bones are connected. One or two bones are connected in the joint. This side have one joint place. Okay, the elbow is one joint, the knee is the one joint, the pivot is the skull region is the one joint. Okay, a joint is a place where two or more bones are connected. There are two types of joints. First one, movable joint and immovable joint. Movable, immovable. Some joints, some bones are immovable joints are little move only. Okay, movable joints are move in the many direction. Okay, one more time repeat this question. A joint is a place where two or more bones are connected. There are two types of joints. First one, movable and immovable joints. Okay, third one, what are the last two pairs of ribs in the rib cage called? Rib cage, all know the rib cage, marble இருக்கிற லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்க two pair of ribs எதுன்னு. The last two pairs are ribs in the rib cage is called the floating ribs. Another 12 ribs are called bow shaped ribs. Already you learn it. Okay, bow shaped ribs are called another 12 pairs. The two pairs are called floating ribs. The last two pairs are ribs in the rib cage is called as floating ribs. Okay, next one, where is the immovable joint present in our body? அசையாத joint எதுன்னு? Thus இது வந்து teeth and socket. Teeth and sockets are the immovable joint. Where is the immovable joint present in our body? The immovable joint is present in the teeth and sockets. Okay, you children.